Okay, hello everyone, welcome to the Web3 Education and Investment. So now in this video, I will give an update. So I do reach out to the Centrifuge, and now I think I kind of figure out what happened. So first of all, you need the CFG as a fee to claim. So you have to get the fee. You can find their admin, or if you leave a comment in my video, I can send you some after I successfully get them. And so I have got a little bit fee now. So how do you check the fee? How do you check the CFG? You can go to your JS wallet. For example, this is my JS wallet. Go to the top left and select Centrifuge, switch. So after you switch that, you can find your banners. So I do have a little bit CFG now. I just get that from their admin, so I really appreciate. Now I'm going to use those to claim my my reward. And also, if you contribute through parallel finance, the centrifuge means that you can claim all the rewards. So I'm going to check that. Basically, if you go to the website, if for example I have $20 contributed, I should get 280, and I also contribute through parallel finance, so I will have a better understanding like whether or how you can get the rewards. So I'm going to claim. So now I should get the fee. So I'm going to I have a need bit centrifuge, right? So I can cover, okay, it can cover the fees, so I should be able to claim them. And so looks like it's working. It's going to do something here. And then once okay, so you can view the account on the subscan, so you can check the update. So right now it's not showing up yet. Okay. All right, so I think I already claimed that successfully. Okay. So you can check your wallet. So now I go to the wallet. Okay, so I think it's correct. So that means you can still claim that. If you check the balance, I have more than the one showing up here because I also contribute through parallel finance. So that means you can just claim and get all the rewards, no matter you have direct contribution or through the parallel finance. And I also show you how you can check the balance. Okay, thanks for watching. This is Web3 Education Investment. Please leave comments, or if you need some CFG, please let me know. Now I have CFG. Yeah, I have around 100 transferable. So hopefully all of you are getting the rewards. Bye.